parts.
Okay, so at the moment I'm creating an environment. We're doing a cyberwall. Let's go. So at the moment I'm going to make it so it threads a audio through the thingy-majiggy. We're gonna do target, and we're gonna do self.play audio, and then we're gonna do just that, and then we're gonna do start, and then it will start playing o.mp3, but we're gonna put it in assets, so then we can make sure it's in assets. So assets, assets. There we go. Okay, so now we need a song. Let's do non-copyright.
Are we allowed to look at documentation?
Yes.
I think so, yeah. Okay, thanks.
No AI.
What'd you say?
No AI.
No AI, okay. I wasn't planning on it.
Yeah, this will do. Okay, now we drag and drop the audio that we have, rename it to and then we pray for the best. Go in assets. Oh, now that's in assets. And now, I can't test it. Okay. Oh god, this is odd. And then we make a while true loop, so then it keeps continuously looping itself. So then it continues looping itself. And then to make the computer die, we're gonna need to thread more definitions. So then this will loop constantly, and it will just move the mouse like this. But before we do that, we need to do pg.failsafe equal false, so then it can end that function. And then we gotta make that threaded as well, so then it won't overwrite any other things. And then we're gonna open a bunch of web browsers, so we'll call that mouse control. And then after that, we're gonna make it open like a bunch of web browsers or something. So then we can paste in my YouTube channel, which by the way, you should go and subscribe to the tech channel. But instead, I'm gonna do my default YouTube channel, which is mghh_original. Go subscribe to that too, you probably will like it as well. And then this new function is a parameter, which, and then web browser nuke. Okay, that's the web browser nuke. We'll do that for probably 4 times. 4 times, got it. And then def. We'll make it type random stuff. There you go. Okay, so now, 10 minutes left, 10 minutes left. Okay, so keyboard nuke, got it. Okay, so now I need to import this. There we go. Okay, right now, final one, which is nuking disk. Okay, so disk nuke, and I'm going to put that as self. And then for the disk nuke, we are going to
11 minutes.
we're going to while true, and we are going to make it so it continuously opens the disk, and this will be like our main loop. This will be the main loop of it all. Maybe. And so how we're gonna do this is we're gonna make it so it keeps creating files, so like it keeps
Quick thing after it, should we have like a 5 minutes like testing period?
Yes.
So we can fix this
No,
stuff?
no.
I don't know whether half this stuff works.
Okay, fine. Okay.
So
Yeah.
I'll use triage. I'll triage.
Okay,
it.
agreed.
Yeah.
Okay, right, so we're gonna ask for administrator at the start of this, so we're gonna do no, that's fine. Yes, I'll run it as administrator. There you go, so now we'll keep spamming that across the screen no matter what. And then we're gonna thread that as well. And yeah, that should be fine. And then I'm gonna thread that as well. And we're gonna put that as off. Right. Okay, 5 minutes remain. Do we need to do any finishing touches? Yes, we do. This is the hee virus. Do you all know?
Hee virus.
Yes. It was coded in 16 minutes, I would say.
16 minutes? So you were done 3 minutes before we actually stopped.
Yeah. Anyways, let's do it.
Here's where it breaks. I hear the audio. Before we continue. Hey, you copied me. Hey. Oh no, mine's copied. Can you hear me? Ah, that's better. That's better.
Damn, that was enough. My ears are free. So what it's doing is creating files on the desktop, which is causing the disk to overdrive. Oh. Is Windows fight? Windows is fighting against.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Oh, it's lagging. It's lagging. It's lagging, it's still creating files on the desktop, by the way.
Right, I sent mine. I sent mine through.
You can see it's stuttering. It's struggling. It's struggling. It's struggling. Oh my god,
That's a big stutter.
that was a massive stutter.
Whoa. Now then.
No, that was my app. Look, that. You see it? You're cooked. Aye. Okay. Oh. Okay, should we call it that? Should we call it that?
Yeah, go on then.
Okay. Why did you include that?
I forgot that was there.
What's that? Okay, anyways.
Run as administrator.
What?
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
No such file or directory.
It's moving like.
Wait, what?
Did you put the whole directory? No, you didn't.
It's supposed to. Why is it running in the temp folder? Oh, no, it's going. It's still going. It's still going. It's still going. It's all there.
I don't know what happened. So, I think I can see mine. So, like.
No, but mine's open faster.
You sure about
Mine
that?
opens way quicker.
You sure about that?
Yeah.
See, will it destroy my PC? Editor, put in the music that would be.
It's sneaky snitch.
Okay, it is kinda laggy, but it'll come out with a crash. Like mine did.
It's supposed to play tech.
The thing is, can I run my virus when this is over? That's my question. And can I type normally? Like, my mouse isn't moving, like, it's barely moving. Oh, okay, not responding, so can I
That's
type?
what I mean by it's adware. It pulls up my YouTube.
Yes, it does. Can I... Okay, it is getting slower. I can type.
Type. Can you though? The only reason why it's doing that little flickering thing and not actually bringing it to the middle is only because it's a VM. Oh no, hit Control-Shift-T. That's the fail-safe.
You sure?
Should be.
Totally not a virus.
It's taking up 7%
Anyways,
CPU.
that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed.
Damn.
I'll see you in the petitions.